Alright guys, as you can no doubt hear, I am pretty sick, but I have a little bit of a voice left, so I want to get this voiceover recorded before it cuts out again like it did for my last video, and you get another video with no narration at all. So this is March bullet journal week 3, and because I'm sick, I wanted this to be a really easy journal page, so not very complicated at all. I have this Banda masking tape stickers. They're like washi tape stickers in the shape of clover petals or leaves, I guess, clover leaves, like individual ones. So you can stick them down and make 3 or 4 leaf clovers very easily. So the first thing I did was make a little border of these to cut the page in half so that I could split it up for the days of the week. And then once I decided how tall those were going to be and where those were going to go, I drew in boxes with my Staedtler fine liner, I think, and put the days of the week as part of the little box at the top. And at the bottom in the corner, I put the number of the day so that each box was marked. I left a big section to put the quote for the week because, well, really, I didn't want to do a lot of doodles, so the quote took up a bunch of space too. The quote for this week is, "The sweetness of life lies in usefulness, like honey deep in the heart of a clover bloom," by Laura Ingalls Wilder. And I put down some more of those little clover stickers. I like these little stickers, the Banda washi tape stickers. I've been using them on my self-care bingo to mark off squares when I complete something. That's why I had them in the first place, and I just decided to use them here because I figured it would be, at least a little simple. Then I just added a box for notes and a box for next week, and that's this page done. It was really quick and easy. I added a couple of butterflies. This roll comes with clover petals and with little butterflies, so instead of, passing those by, I decided to put them on the page. Why not? And up at the March week 3 in the top corner, I put a small box with a dotted line just to separate it out a little bit. But yeah, that's all for this week. I just added it to the index so I knew where it was. I hope you guys have a great week. Please like and subscribe if you like bullet journal videos. I am going to go grab a cup of tea, edit this, and then go to bed. And until my next video, hopefully I'll feel a little bit better. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye.